family, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, then please make sure you do, as it is very much appreciated. Now, on this particular video, we are off to Cars in the Valley Beach, and that is kind of like a cars and coffee style meet of an evening. We've never been to Shelsley Walsh in an evening. We've only ever been to their meets that they do on the hill of a Sunday morning usually. So it'll be definitely interesting to see what it's like of an evening and what kind of cars are there. I'm going to take my challenge to 10 as that's our only option for cars currently at the moment. So I'm going with my dad and my boyfriend Ben. So let's see what cars are there today, well this evening. So we've got here now, it opened at 6, we're here about 7:10, so it's not too bad. We're in like the orchard style field, so I've never actually parked in this field before. So we're going to have a look around now and see what's here. Never been here of an evening, so not sure kind of what to expect, but let's go and have a look around.
Good. He's actually doing it. I thought you were going to come from the park up there.
Oh, what do you mean? I feel like I'll be slagging the Porsches off if I move.
It's always on the door sill.
Not always, but on the yes. I look for Porsches of them, yes.
I'm getting some videos for you.
Do you want to go get a coffee and walk around the coffee, or do you want to start now? You can start now if you want. It's entirely up to you. They're being directed round, aren't they, I think?
Oh, I think that's the exit, isn't it? We followed whoever is in front of us.
Remember the target audience, don't you?
This looks like Porsche.
Yeah.
I mean, that if you see what that's where
Is it a Porsche? What is it?
Yeah, up in God knows where it was. Yeah, Runcorn. Runcorn, wasn't it? Alphenport. Yes, yeah, it was Alphenport. I think they came with me for the round the track.
Oh, no, it's the old ones.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. What's it? Anti-bulk. That's what I was expecting him to have.
Sid come back this week to say that the buyer solicitor is not satisfied with.
Yeah, do you want to drive around with you so you feel satisfied with your £15 that you spent?
Just so you can show them. Look, look.
Yeah.
must be off. It's been hours. Yeah. 1 minute and 2, that'd be right.
It's the members enclosure. They've got their own little marquee in that little seating area.
Maybe. We generally just thought that was the way in. I just thought generally that was the way in.
The new ones.
The new one, yeah, I don't like the old one. Do you like the old one?
There's always an art. It's got to be white. You know what I mean?
Proper JD respect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
White with the red interior.
Quirky beam rotary engine.
Is it just a van in
What happened to Ross? He didn't get the memo. I heard you.
They do? I think you've got to ask them. They're right on the
Get back and we'll be like, oh right.
Oh yeah.
Just hanging about.
So we're going to start down there, he's going to spot them and then come over here. There was a guy. So I'll start in front of you. Oh yeah.
I think you have a business.
It must be like filming a TV program or something.
I like these as well.
You know what you do those?
It's a monster, isn't it? Don't lose the key.
They haven't started parking people up the hill today, have they? They normally put the cars up there, don't they? Yeah.
Nice to grab that other one part next to that one, the other part as well. Couldn't take a little mark on the side.
Hey, Van. Unless you want a drink. We're not driving.
No.
No.
I've never been here before.
Haven't you?
Not this big, no.
You would have done.
I don't remember it.
Queue for coffee.
Is that queue for food?
Food and coffee. The Sorrento greens and Miami blue. They're the two colours on the special edition. We've got that, you know what I mean? Just leave it as it is. That's on the glass there.
Really excited about. Like corrosive chemicals I have to use in the trains. I always have it on my gloves. And it's it's going to start spraying it.
Yeah, and if I am
I like the old rounded from Cardo.
When we parked in the farmyard last time.
Oh yeah, in there. They used to overflow in there, didn't they? We came in the wrong way.
And I've got a tractor that's got a rubber line engine gearbox and it's a Unihorse from Droitwich. There's only 3 of the ones I've got built.
So it's a bit quiet of an evening, like of a Sunday if you go. People park all up here. But we've never been in an evening before, so yeah, when we go on a Sunday, you park all up here and they put you in a line, and then they park people in other areas, like over here. There's a field in the back that's like an overflow that they park people in as well. But yeah, we've 100% definitely come in the wrong way because they didn't even check our tickets. So I think we've come in what is kind of the exit or the overflow. We've never been in that way before, which is why I said we've never parked here before.
No, a nie, że 2 obrałem.
they come up on the forum. And they're like, oh, look at this, so I just for a G60 in it. I'm like, yeah, but it's still a fucking fine.
Do you build these yourself?
Yeah.
Well, it's a close call, isn't it? The RB26.
Wow, yeah. They're in the same thing.
They won.
So it's 7:45 and it goes on till 9 o'clock, but quite a lot of people have left already. It did start at 6 and we got here about 7:10, but it's quite empty now, as you can probably see.
Right. Okay, guys.
No, I'll join in the queue of the team is queuing. It's okay.
I got the brolly, so I held the brolly like that.
I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and if you haven't already clicked the subscribe button, please make sure you do, as it is very much appreciated. Thank you so much.